Many assume that Islam has nothing to contribute to the fields of economics and commerce. They think Islam has nothing to do with business. For more than a decade, I have taught the Islamic standards of ethical commerce, and several students have admitted how much they have underestimated the benefits of this class at the outset, but eventually found lasting use from what they learned in my class. Through my 11-course program, Mercy and Profit, I'll teach the timeless principles of Islamic commerce, trade, and profit-sharing models. The goal? To show you how halal wealth can bring divine blessings and lasting success. I want to help Muslim entrepreneurs, business owners, and regular customers to understand the religious foundations of ethical commerce and equip them with the tools to discern when a transaction is or is not Shariah compliant. Please join us on this journey of knowledge and understanding. The first lesson is free to everyone. Register now.